in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number one is companion, the number two, oh confusion. Number three is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion, yeah. Okay. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this better union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion, yeah. A Fuji house of commotion.
Before these people in the house begin to chop sand. Hey, wait, what is that? Kanu offered $45,000. Lie. $45,000. If we times that one by the exchange rate, this about let's say now 200. Hope you know we don't pass out by the time this project continues. Lie. And I have a football team at home. Musa, Mufu, Idowu, Mo, Bolaji, Benro, Benibo, Hassan. Who else is there? And Tope, Fernandez, Kachuku, Kasani. My begging for all of them. Money don't come out. All of them. So what have you children been doing since afternoon? Good. Bolaji, what have you been doing since you came back from school?
Playing outside.
Good boy. Wadagba. I know you'll always tell me the truth. Now, go to the car and bring something that you will find there.
Papa, this was very important.
Papa. So everybody was playing outside.
Yes, Papa.
Come on, wake up. Ola, what kind of game were the children playing?
I was playing Tete with Teshikekere, but Agbero was playing card with Brother Mufu and Ali. Sister Jubake was gossiping with Keria.
If I slap you...
Shut up there. So, none of you was playing football. You were busy playing ordinary games when your mates are busy making money playing football. All right. From today, no child in this house shall play any other game except football.
But, Papa, are you punishing us?
Why punish you when you can make a lot of money playing football? So, everybody, outside, Come out now, we shall form our own Fuji 11. Oh yeah, everybody, out.
Including us.
Yes, female soccer is big money. Out, everybody. Upstairs, have your bath, and then come and eat your food.
Hey! Fuji family, we are coming from the field. We are coming from the field. We Fuji, we are coming from the field.
My children are really good though. They are really good. After 3 days of serious playing, I now have a Finidi George. I have a Yekini and a Celestine Babayaru. Look, Mufu can dribble one Kwakanu to nonsense. Jumoke with a bow leg can tip-tap soccer more than JJ Okocha.
Dreamer.
You should see Mo. You should see Mo diving to save goal.
See, after 3 days, you are nearly killed the children.
Don't worry. When they start cruising about town in their 4x4 jeep now, they will forget all the hard labor.
But Chief, no one is doing the housework again.
Ireti, what are you here for? You do the housework now. Hey, go, Ireti. Come here, come. Stand here, let me see you. Come. Stand here, stand there. Stand. That's right. You are the center forward I've been looking for. Yes.
See, Ireti is your wife.
She can play center forward for the Fuji female under 16. Yeah. And Peace will be the goalkeeper for the Mama Eagles.
Don't add me in your madness.
Call it madness now. But it's madness with a method. By the time all my eggs are hatched, you will respect my madness. I invested very well in children. By the time the 11 members of the Fuji family team start earning about 5.4 million naira per week in hard currency, then you will know that there's method in this madness. Then I will have wings and just fly away. Fly away. If I have a wing like a dove, go.
Brother?
Where is it?
What is it, brother? What is it?
My pathfinder.
Hey, see, Raji, hold him up.
Brother?
I was like, Laura,
Raji. Huh? Oh. Is this the Echo Mug? Why have you come to disturb my beautiful dream?
Sorry, brother.
Is the war over?
Brother, I ran away.
Magic.
You mean you just packed your bag and baggage and ran?
Brother, I did not pack.
All right. You left your property for them and theories.
Everything. Brother, I saw war. I saw blood. I saw people's brain flowing the streets. I saw children carrying bazooka and firing.
Soldiers are supposed to see war and blood.
Brother, I am in the physical education unit. I did not sign for war. I am a sportsman.
You?
So, if you are supposed to be a sportsman, then what were you doing in Ecomog?
Brother, the business was good. Look, our allowance was in hard currency. Buying and selling of abandoned property. And sometimes we get diamond from rebels. That I signed for. I did not sign for war.
A soldier that did not sign for war, sir.
It's all right. It's all right. I hope you brought plenty of money, because tomorrow you are going to see your family. Since you started sending money to your wife and she was spending money, nobody could talk to her again. Nobody. She's going to need a lot of money to support her high life. Yeah?
Yes. Brother, I beg. I can't go home.
You cannot go home. You will not go home and see your family.
Brother, I am on a wall. They will be looking for me. If they get me, they will send me back to the war front. Brother. I don't want to go back to the war front. Please. I don't want to go back. I don't want to go back. Brother. I beg. Brother.
No Lord Chief can become. Biawan Chicha, what is the matter with you?
Nothing. I want to sleep.
Chineke, haven't you missed road? This is my room and that is my bed.
I gave my room to Brother Raji.
So that he will think you are good and give you diamonds,
Now you sabi.
I mean, go and go to your room. Go and recover your room back because I cannot share my room with you. Get out!
The honor of your head and my says I should share with you. So I'm going nowhere.
Why didn't you share with him?
Me, the center forward of Fuji family team, to share bed with the coach of Fuji family team. He says it is nepotism.
Nepotism.
On
my bed? Thief! Chief, what are you doing? You won't block your relationship. locked your brother in.
I don't want him to go wandering in the night. I am protecting my investment.
So where am I going to sleep?
With her. That way, none of you will go wandering in the night too.
What of Mama Muji?
The risk in that investment is very little.
Chief, look, Raju should come and go back to his wife and children, no,
the army will catch him.
Let them catch him. Yes, because when he was making money and sending to his wife and children, they hired a duplex, eating egg and corn beef. Did they share it with me?
Peace. Are you jealous?
Of a runaway soldier.
Anyway, I have employed him as my football coach.
Chief.
You people just cooperate with him. Come now.
Get me.
I want to sample my best.
I don't have any investment for you.
Come.
Leave me now.
Please.
Leave me.
We are going to the field. We're going to the field. We Fuji 11. We are going to the field. We are going to give them soccer. We Fuji 11. We are going to the field. We are going to the field. We Fuji 11. We are going to the field. We are going to give them soccer.
Now straight line. Straight line. Attention! Now listen. This is a very serious assignment, and I expect seriousness from all my men. You are all recruits, and I am your commanding officer. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If you do as I say, no problem. But any disobedience will lead to court martial. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now exercise begin. Follow. You want to...
Uncle, which exercise?
Who is your uncle? Who is your uncle? Listen, from this day you call me Commander Raji Ademola Fuji, okay?
Okay, Commander.
Now you get me a chair. And you lead them in some warm-up exercise, okay? Exercise!
Hey, follow people, follow! Right, please. Yes, right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1.
Peace! Peace, where are you?
Yes.
Come now. Stop Terewa! Stop Terewa! 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 Stop Terewa! Hey! Terewa! Hey! Terewa! 1, 2, 1, 2. Attention! 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Good one. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Company dismiss.
If I do any more exercise, I'll just die.
I concur.
When Papa used to train us, at least we used to play football.
I concur.
We have to find a way of stopping this madness.
I concur.
Why must you concur? Can't you say your own?
Look, Jumoke, I don't have energy to do anything, so I concur.
I don't blame you. When he used to train us, he would say, left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease.
That Nazam.
I beg, children work difficult.
If it's that difficult, why do all military men have bomb? I think it has to do with your rank. The higher you go,
The more you get.
Uncle is a corporal, how come he's pregnant?
him na Ecomog soldier.
Alright, attention! Left turn! Right turn! Up your legs! Stand at ease. If you disobey my order, I shall court-martial you.
I concur.
Something must be done about this.
Jumoke,
Rabiu, don't concur. Think.
How can one think when all that is in one's head is left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease. Left turn, right turn, open your legs, stand at ease.
Attention!
Where are my clothes nítorí Ọlọ́run? Láti! Láti!
Sir!
Where are my clothes?
I'll go and get them, sir! Sir!
Rabiu! Rabiu!
Sir!
Why have you not brought my shoe and my newspaper?
I wasn't told to bring them, sir.
Is that not what you do every day?
Yes, sir.
Stop shouting!
Yes, sir! Sir!
This soldier don't go kill me. You too. Boy, La ilaha illallah Muhammadu ya Rasulullah.
Children, food is ready.
Left, right! 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 Attention!
matter with them?
Chinekeme, Raji has turned them to soldiers.
Was a time in some nations, plenty wives was the notion. Concubines with concussion, the opinion was rotation. Number 1 is companion, the number 2, oh conclusion. Number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house of commotion. Preaching practical solution, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace in confusion, and everybody in commotion. Yeah. Chapter 2 is my opinion. Do respect this federal union. If you want a companion, Fuji's house is not solution. Number 1 is companion, the wife. Number 2, oh confusion. Wife number 3 is commotion, Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, a Fuji house of commotion. Catering practical solutions, a Fuji house of commotion. Peaceful peace with confusion, everybody in commotion. Yeah. A Fuji house of commotion. The kids are like the corn plantation, Fuji house